Hello colleagues and friends, Emi Polito here. Welcome to another software update video, the second of 2026, which promises to be an exciting year indeed. I am pleased to unveil the new version of Amped Authenticate, your favorite tool for verifying the integrity and authenticity of images and videos. We have a number of exciting new features and improvements for you, so get comfy in your sofa or chair and stick with me to find out some more. Well, first things first, we have finally released the brand new inspector tool in both the image and video modes. Yes, that's right. You can now monitor, analyze, and investigate RGB and luminance values for each individual pixel of your image or video. When you first open the program, you will see the new panel docked between the filters panel and the project panel, but you can of course move it to a more suitable location of choice. As you hover over your image in the viewer with the mouse, you will see numbers quickly flashing in the inspector panel. They are the numerical values of the RGB color components and luminance of the pixels in the image. Stop moving the mouse and zoom in to a specific pixel. You will immediately see that pixel's RGB and luminance values, and if needed, you can also copy these values and paste them to the clipboard so that they can be used in other text-based applications such as Notepad or Word. The main benefit of having this tool, though, is the ability to quickly see where saturated pixels lie in your image, so you can better assess false positives or spurious results with your local analysis filters. We have got some exciting updates for the Diffusion Model Deepfake filter. We have updated it to detect images created by newer models such as Nano Banana, the latest ChatGPT, and Grok. We have also improved the performance of the filter when analyzing multiple images in the evidence folder. Look at this image, for example. It was created by Nano Banana, which is a model frequently used by the Gemini application, owned by Google and broadly used worldwide. The filter can now detect deepfakes generated by this model with a very high confidence score, giving you more robust analytical results. But that's not all. In this very same folder there are many images, and we need to triage them and attempt to segregate deepfakes from real images. When you analyze all images in the evidence folder, you will now get results much faster than ever before. And now, my personal favorite amongst the updates for this new version of Amped Authenticate, which can be found in all of the Geometrical Analysis filters. It will now be possible to refine the wedges after they have been registered and monitor how their size affects the system feasibility in real time. Have a look at this image, for example. I am conducting a shadows analysis and I already registered some wedges. However, I realized that I have been too cautious with the size of the wedges. The system is feasible, but I know I can reduce the size of a wedge to see if and when the system becomes unfeasible. I can now hover over a particular wedge with the mouse within the constraints box, hold down the control button on the keyboard, and use the scroll wheel of the mouse to expand or shrink the wedge. I can also use the keyboard shortcuts E and S respectively. As I'm shrinking the wedge, I can see exactly when the system becomes unfeasible. Now, how cool is this? And of course, we continue to implement performance and functionality improvements with the current filters and tools, as well as fixing bugs that you so diligently report to us via various channels. You can now get quick filter hints and tips just by hovering on them with the mouse. This will give you a quick and easily accessible reminder of what each filter does. To protect the users when exporting frames from the video mode to the image mode, we have disabled filters that are not longer applicable. For example, there would not be any point to apply the file analysis filter for an image when we already know it is a frame export. And finally, we have updated the EXIF tool to version 13.44. And that's it for this update video, folks. We hope you enjoy the new and improved Amped Authenticate. Reach out to us and let us know how you're getting on with the new features, or if you have any suggestions for future improvements. We love to hear from you. Find us on our Discord channel and various social media outlets such as LinkedIn and YouTube. And of course, for any technical issues or problems, you can get immediate assistance by emailing our support team directly. Now I wish you well, get busy, and until the next time, stay safe and take care.